You know, morning routines, there's something about having a routine. I've always struggled with routine. I'm trying to learn. All right. That's that. It's Thursday, April, I don't know, something. It's about 1:30, I think 1:30 p.m. Got a late start today. I got a late start because I was up till 6 a.m. This morning. So I went to sleep, woke up at noon, got myself together. Now it's time to go on the run. So no excuses, people, let's go. I'm on mile 3. It's hurt, but you gotta keep going. Whew. Mile 3, let's go. So I just ran 3 miles, and that first 3 miles was tough. Usually the start of anything is really, really tough. This first 3 miles was hard. But I know these next couple that I'm gonna run are gonna be a breeze because I got the hard part out of the way. For me, I always try to remember that the start of something usually is probably the hardest part of it. It hurts, you gotta fight through it, but once you get through that start and you get into the middle of it, it's a breeze. For me, running, I started running back in high school, and so this is something that I'm used to doing. I know how it feels to run for a long time, but I know a lot of people say it's tough to just start running, and it's tough to keep going. I always say this: start slow. Start at a pace you feel comfortable. Maybe you can only do it 1 mile at a time. So run 1 mile, take a break, and walk until you feel comfortable enough to start again and run another mile. And just slowly but surely add that up. I feel like a lot of the times we try to race through things. We try to go too fast. I'm a big advocate of taking your time. And so as much as we want to, compress and save time doing our physical fitness, I think we're doing a disservice to our body if we don't take the proper time to run, take a break when you want to take a break, run again, put some time in, put an hour in, put an hour and a half in, put 2 hours in to your mind and to your body, and you'll start to feel a lot better about just your decisions. You know, you can get a 30-minute workout in here and there, that's fine, but I think time is something that we just can't get past. If you want to see results to anything you want to do in life, you've got to put time in. There's no shortcuts around it. If for you that's doing 1 mile, stopping, walking for another mile, doing another mile after that, it doesn't matter how long it takes you, as long as you just set your goal and get it done. And so now I'm just gonna keep running. See y'all later. I'll be honest, I walked a little bit. I was tired, but now I'm back on it. 5 miles in, going on mile 6. Keep on. So, I'm at about 7 miles, and I feel good. I feel good. Look at this art behind me. Like, how can you not feel good? Shout out to, I'm not sure whose art this is. Isaac Caruso. No. This is some great art. I need to tag this person right here. I'm gonna find their Instagram handle and tag them, but time for me to go home, so yeah, I'm out.